Hello, I'm Clarence Lozana. I am working at the moment at Hotel Kämp, and I graduated in Perho in 2017. I lead the pastry department. It's comprised of 4 people. So my work includes a lot of planning, day-to-day planning, and then the production of the pastries and the sweets. We manage the whole hotel's sweet departments and products. So from breakfast, brasserie, lunch, desserts, cake trolleys, and then evening services, and same as with the banquet. So my team handles all of those day to day. Ideas and creations usually comes in many forms. It could come when I was sitting outside, for example, nice weather, suddenly comes some good things that pass by, or colors or flavors which I tried. Usually it goes from that one. Then I pick up from there and then start thinking what other components I could build on afterwards. The greatest part of it is that you get to be part of the experience of the customer day to day. You can build a memorable experience for them and make their night or day successful. I have always liked cooking or eating outside, but cooking mostly at home. And it's been long sort of a dream for me, but I never really put it into reality. From 2011, I started filling up the form, but I never really sent them. Just filling up every single form in the beginning of the year, but never sent them. But luckily, I got more courage in 2015 and sent it to. And luckily, I got picked. Perho and the teacher behind, who has grown us up and helped us develop to be as a successful one, prepared us very well in terms of the basics and in terms of adjusting into the every work department where you're going to go to. So you get a really good base education and start up to your career. Working in this industry opens up a lot of opportunity. I think you can go in different ways all throughout. Later on or in the beginning, you can start from restaurant, you can move to hotels and to other different departments as well of service industry. Perho gives a lot of opportunity, good study base, and good training contacts as well, different locations where you can have a good training, a good jump start to this career.